In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail not receiving verification code 5 minutes. If you've requested a verification code and it's not showing up, don't worry. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable process to track it down and get those emails flowing again. Start by opening Gmail in a web browser or the Gmail app and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Give the inbox a quick refresh and confirm your internet connection is steady. Some codes can take a minute or two to arrive, so allow a short pause before moving on. Next, do a thorough check of the places where these messages often hide. Look in spam and trash, then check other tabs like promotions and updates. In the search bar, type verification code and press enter. For extra coverage, try variations like code, OTP, or no reply. Switch the search to all mail so you're not limiting results to just the primary tab. Sort by date to surface the newest messages and scan for emails that were auto-categorized. If you find the message in spam, mark it as not spam so future codes land in your inbox. Before requesting another code, confirm you typed the correct email address on the website or app that's sending it. A single character off or using the wrong account will send the code elsewhere. If you manage multiple Gmail accounts, quickly check that you're requesting the code for the account you're currently signed into. Once confirmed, request a fresh code and wait up to a couple of minutes before trying again. Now let's make sure Gmail isn't quietly redirecting those messages. Click the settings gear, open See All Settings, and go to Filters and Blocked Addresses. Review any rules that skip the inbox, delete emails, or label and archive messages. If you see a filter that could be catching these codes, edit or delete it. Also, check the blocked section and remove any senders you recognize as legitimate. If you're still not seeing the code, switch how you're checking mail. Try logging into Gmail in a desktop browser instead of the app, or open a private window to bypass extensions. On mobile, offload or uninstall and reinstall the Gmail app to refresh its cache and sync. After reinstalling, sign back in and give it a moment to resync, then request the code again. That's it. Follow these steps in order and you'll resolve most cases of missing verification codes in Gmail. If this helped, request a new code now and keep an eye on all mail for the newest message.